Welcome to Lesson 7, a square using the repeat block. Just like we did in Lesson 6, we're going to make a square, but we're going to make the code a lot easier to work with and a lot less code and a lot less duplication, so we don't have to create blocks on blocks on blocks on blocks. So let's go ahead and let's click on Projects and create a new blank project. So we click on the Projects button, click on the Create New Project, click on Blank Template. Let's go ahead and delete the actor. Next, let's add and connect to the drone. So connect device, add the drone you're working with. Make sure the drone is connected. Go to the code button, remove the initial code. Let's rename our project to Lesson 7. I've added in repeat block with this so I know what it is. Clicking the back button, I'm going to then click Save to confirm that my project is created. I'm going to re-click on my project right there, open up the code, and there we go. Now, just like every other project we've started or lesson we've started, we need an on-start with a takeoff. So go ahead, jump over to your control flow loop, drag over an on-start, jump down to the library, drag over an takeoff, and next, the block that we're going to be adding is also in the control and flow, is we're going to be looking for repeat, and it should say repeat 10 in it. And that is actually a darker yellow, it's more of an orange. So we go ahead and we scroll on down here, and here is the repeat. So if we take this up to the monster, he tells us a repeat block. The repeat block repeats the script inside the specified number of times. So whatever's inside our block is repeated, so we don't have to do what we did last time. We can just make one action or one set of rules and repeat that over and over. So let's go ahead and let's snap the repeat block onto here. And last time, what did we do? We repeated how many times? 4 times. So we're going to hold down our finger on the number 10, click the clear button, and type the number 4 and click OK. Next, last time we went backwards. So let's go ahead and let's do that as well. Let's go over to our library. We had a stop, and before I drag this in, I'm going to attach the block separately so we know that we have our code correctly. We have a stop. We had a backwards 4, and let's change 1 to 2. And then we had turn left by, or turn right. It's up to you. So this time I'm going to add a turn right by, whoops, let's get that 90 degrees out there. Turn right by 90 degrees. Now, clicking and holding with my finger on the stop, we drag the whole block inside the repeat, and that will now repeat it 4 times. Let's go ahead and let's finish off this code by adding in a land. So we drag the land, make sure it snaps to the bottom of the repeat block. Go ahead, I'm going to push back to confirm and save my code. Jump back in, and my code has been saved. Go ahead, press the play button, make sure your drone is connected, and you'll see it do the same thing as we did in Lesson 6, is fly backwards in a square.